What's up, everybody? Stretch Doc here, Las Vegas. Let's talk about long-term outcome are driven by true functional improvement. Now, what the heck does that mean? That means here in the office, I use what's called Gravitational Pattern Alignment. This is called GPA, chiropractic technique. We use a drop table specifically for that. But what we're looking for with these functional improvements is by correcting the function of the body. So you come in, your pelvis is out of line, your shoulders are out of line, your legs twisted, you got a knee problem, ankle problem, something. Your head will always stay level because the eyes will always keep you nice and perpendicular to the ground. But then with correcting all of this through a functional outcome, we are able to stabilize and balance the body. Basically, we make you like that person right there, nice and balanced. But to get that long-term success, we have to have consistency in treatment. And so this is also determined when you come in, what the problem is, what your goals are, and how we're going to address it as a team. It takes you to come in, obviously, and it takes me to help you, and we have to do a teamwork. I can't just do it if you're not magically showing up to the office. So those long-term outcomes are driven by the true functional improvements. So when we can make a big and functional improvement in the structural, as well as adding in the soft tissue correctional stuff with fascial stretch therapy, that's how we're getting good success. So if you're interested in knowing about that, or you want to come in, let us know. You can comment down below if you have any questions. You can DM me, you can text me, you can find me everywhere on social media, and I'll be looking forward to helping out, and let's get you a long-term outcome instead of just fixing that pain that keeps coming back and coming back and coming back. Have a good evening. Peace out.